you've got an nDTC that's fully configured. It's got a bunch of schedules. It's got a bunch of both normal as well as holiday schedules. And you don't want to go through the extensive process of going through and deleting each one of those schedules. It also has an extended amount of device configurations that you don't want to go through the process of going through and reverting each one of them individually. You are able to do this by actually doing a full-on device factory reset. And so that is feasible by first logging in and entering in the set administrator PIN. And so from there, you can navigate across under device settings. And under device settings, we actually have a factory reset button available as well that will walk you through the process of resetting this device to factory. So you have to be made aware that by resetting the device to factory, you are deleting all the schedules that are on the device. All channel configurations that you've made are also going to be reset to the factory default. At the same time as well, all configurations made to the device's settings will also be reset to the factory default. And so by doing that process, upon confirming that that's what you want to do, it is going to go through and execute on this device. And this device is now going to come out as if it was brand new, just coming out of the factory. In that state, you'll have to go through and walk through the initial configuration screens to set up the pins. At the same time as well, set up the location and the date and time of this device altogether as well.